In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Bluetooth device on Windows 11. If a headset won't reconnect, a mouse keeps dropping off, or you simply want to clean up old pairings, removing a Bluetooth device and starting fresh is a quick fix that often works wonders. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect along the way. We'll start by opening Windows Settings. To do that, right-click the Start button on your taskbar and click Settings from the menu that appears. This is the fastest, no-nonsense route and takes you straight into the main Settings window. Once Settings is open, look to the sidebar and click Bluetooth and Devices. This page groups all your peripherals, things like mice, keyboards, headphones, speakers, and other wireless accessories. You'll see a Devices section that lists what's currently paired or has been connected before. Now, find the device you want to remove. If you have a lot of items, take a moment to identify the right one by its name and icon, headphones, speaker, keyboard, and so on, so you don't accidentally remove the wrong device. If two items look similar, hover your mouse and check for any small details in the name to be sure you've got the correct entry. When you've located it, move your cursor over that device and click the three dots to the right, sometimes labeled as More Options. This opens a small menu with actions specific to that device. From here, click Remove Device. This tells Windows you want to unpair and forget it so it won't try to auto-connect in the future. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to do this. Click Yes to confirm removal. This is your last checkpoint before the device is unpaired. Now, give Windows a moment to process. Wait until the device disappears from the list. You might see the entry fade out or the list refresh briefly. Don't click around or repeat the action while it's working. Once it's gone, the device has been successfully removed, meaning Windows will no longer connect to it automatically. That's all there is to it. If you plan to use the device again later, just remember you'll need to pair it like new. Otherwise, enjoy a cleaner, more accurate list of devices and fewer connection surprises. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Bluetooth connections on Windows 11.